Deep learning models are currently the best way to computationally mimic how the human mind learns from data. In this summer program on deep learning principles and applications, the participants will be introduced to the foundations of deep learning models, starting with the language of linear algebra, which is essential to understand how deep learning models are constructed, coded, and put to use. We will start with the absolute basics, the so-called shallow deep learning models, and we will slowly build up to more complicated deep learning models and architectures where the participants will see applications across the fields of engineering, sciences, and social sciences. By the end of the program, wherein the participants would have gone through hands-on sessions, simultaneously coding and understanding the computational and theoretical principles, the participants will be able to understand existing deep learning models and architectures in the research community, in the industrial community, and from papers, as well as design and implement their own deep learning models based on their fields of interest. We welcome you to this summer program on deep learning and principles and applications, and we hope you will have a great time.